Welcome back to a new video, guys. Today I'm gonna make a comparison on whether this alarm siren CH-55C or if this smoke alarm is louder. So I did a previous video, but it got interrupted when my little brother entered the room. But my smoke alarm has reached 112.8 decibel. Let's see if it gets louder now. I'm gonna measure the noise level with my decibel meter and put it to the setting at which it stops at the highest volume it has registered while being on. So let's do it. I reached 110.7 decibel. Now time for the siren. Alright, now time for the siren. So let me get one of the batteries and let's sound it off. Sorry. That reached 84.9 decibel. Gonna do a few whoops. Volume warning, this will be very loud. Definitely louder. This reached 117.1 decibel. So in comparison, this siren is in fact around 7 decibels louder than the smoke alarm. Quite fascinating, right? That was it for today's video. Bye.